This is Manish Nigam, and today I'm going to give you the explanation of matrimonial ads. Advertisement series is going on, and 2-3 videos are already uploaded. You can check the playlist and you will get other details there. So we are writing the matrimonial ads. Matrimonial ads means where you are willing to get an ad published in the newspaper for a search of bride or a bridegroom, where you want dulha or dulhan. Okay. So what we do for that when we write such ads? So first of all, remember the certain points that it is of 3 marks. So 1 mark is there for format, 1 mark is there for content, and 1 mark there for expression. So that you keep in your mind that the numbers are 3, it is of short composition list, and the word limit is also prescribed, that is 50 words, means you are not allowed to exceed the word limit. If it is gone beyond that 50 words, your marks will be deducted. Now comes the next point. While we write the advertisement, all sort of advertisement, you have to remember one point, that we keep the ads in a box. Okay. So now the question that is there, so you want to get your daughter married, and you are supposed to write an ad, a matrimonial ad in the newspaper. So how would you do that? That description I am trying to give you. Sorry. So before I did explain the detail of that matrimonial ad, let me highlight the main points that you have to keep in your mind. First of all, the word that we have to start with is wanted or required, and that will be in capital letter. There you see it is written in the capital letter. Then the personal detail. What are the personal details? Suppose if it is of a bride or a bridegroom, so boys or girls details should be there, like look and appearance, like educational qualification, the family background. These 3 inquiries or 3 information are good enough. First of all, when you are mentioning or highlighting the personal detail of a candidate, that will be look and appearance. The second can be educational qualification, and third can be family background. So these 3 points please keep in your mind. Now comes the other detail, that is number 3, and that is provide professional detail. Means what is your job, what is your profession, what is your business, what is your family background. Correct? And then comes the preferences. Preferences here means you want to marry your daughter or son with in your own caste, or there is no restriction of caste or other. So that preference can also be given. One more preference is there, whether you want the marriage to be early or to be late, that can also be mentioned there. And the 5th point is address and phone number. That is a mandatory part of your advertisement. Whatever advertisement you are writing, you have to mention the address and phone number. Let me highlight, or let me recall again the main point. First of all, keep the first word, that is wanted or required, in capital. Then mention the personal detail like look and appearance, then educational qualification, and then family background, okay, of the person whose ad is going to be published. And then number 3, that is provide professional detail, means what is the family's background, what the person is doing, what the father is doing, that is all mentioned. And then preference, the preference means that the caste is there required or not required. And then address and phone numbers. Let me take you to the sample. See, first of all, wanted or required. So there you see it is given here, wanted, are suitable, and it is for a daughter. Okay, so you are searching for a bridegroom. So wanted a suitable match for a cultured, smart, good looking, well qualified MBA girl. So that is a detail of a girl. A suitable match means there is a bridegroom's detail. I want a bridegroom, so a suitable match for a cultured. These are the qualities of a girl. She is cultured, she is smart, she is good looking, and she is also qualified. And the age of that girl is given here. MBA girl, 24/56. So that is the height. 24 year, 5 feet 6 inches. So that is the age and the height that you have to mention. After that, you can keep the full stop. Now comes the family background. So what the father does? Daughter of an army officer. So the daughter's father is army officer. So that is sufficient. Now, what is your preference? What type of boy, what type of bridegroom you want? So it is mentioned there, boy must be well qualified from a good family. So that is your need. Boy must be well qualified from a good family. Again you put comma here. Remember, you have to write the phrases and after that you can put comma. Having own business, here you can change the line, okay, job or any other professional you can mention there, no problem. Caste no bar, here it is mentioned caste no bar. If you want to write, you can mention that of own caste, okay. The next point that is given here, early marriage, means the person who has published this ad wants his daughter to be married soon. After the completion of this, you have to write the address, okay, contact address, that is mandatory, you have to mention it. So here I have given RS Sinha MG Road Allahabad and then give phone number, any number you can mention there. So in this way, if you keep these points in your mind and then elaborate these points in that column, in that box, your advertisement for matrimonial will be completed and your full 3 marks will be given to you. So hope this video, this lesson was informative and was helpful for you. And for other ads, you can check the playlist. Please go through it. Thank you and God bless.